Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these little cute balloon squishies or bubble squishies. Let's get started. Okay, so you first want to blow up your balloon. Okay, now make sure it fits your bottle cap. Now twist it to make it circular on the bottom. Now we're just tie it up. Okay, sorry, we had a bit of problems tying it up, so I think it may have deflated a little bit. Now we're just gonna tie it up. Sorry that you guys can't see. There we go. Now you're going to cut off the excess, the balloon. So now you're going to tape your balloon to the bottle cap. So you're going to tape it onto the sides and bottom. Okay, go like that. And note, you have to put more than 2 pieces of tape. You can draw a facial expression. I am just using a Sharpie, but know that it will come off the more you use it, and the more it gets old. So this is just optional. Like if you don't want it to go away, then maybe you don't want to. So then you're done with your bubble squishy. It's so cute and satisfying. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next video.